Hi everyone, today I'm out about in Seoul, Korea. We're going to go on a little bit of a tour around the city. We're going to look at some of the old cultural stuff. We're going to the palace, village and a whole lot more. We haven't got a real itineraries out. I've got the princess, Lefa and Jennifer joining us. So it's going to be a great day. We're at our hotel, we're waiting for a taxi to turn up, and then we're going to go to, I think the village is the first spot, the village, and then around there. And we'll just see where the day takes us. We've got a little map. And so it should be a fun day. So I'm inviting you all to join us. Shall you? I think we've found our cab. Let's go and have a look. We're in the small streets of Myeongdong in Seoul, where we're staying. And our cab has disappeared. Anyway, the concierge is trying to locate him, so he's going to go around the block, I think. It's only about 9:30 in the morning, so this place gets very, very busy at night, which I'm going to make another video of the night markets in Myeongdong. That should be fantastic. All right, great start of the day. The taxi cancelled because he couldn't find us, so we're just going down the road to try and hail one. So there's one. Is he available? No. So we're going to walk down to the main street and grab a taxi from the main street. Thank you. There you go. People here in Korea are very friendly. Yep, they love photobombing, so we should see plenty of that today. And it's going to be a great day. They've got some weather coming in this afternoon, so we're going to try and hopefully beat that. It's going to be a bit rainy. It could be a bit wet market tonight. But anyway, it's going to be a great day no matter what, because it's all about the adventure. And all right, we found a cab. Well, we're finally on our way. Hanbok Rentals. I think the girls want to dress up and get photos done in traditional Korean gear. This is going to be funny. Maybe? Must admit, some of the Korean traditional dresses are very beautiful. Nice colours, designs. Let's go and have a look. When the girls finish dressing up in their traditional Korean gear, we're going to go for a walk around the villages there. It's a very old area, very cultural area of Seoul. Beautiful area. Most of Seoul is very beautiful. It's a very clean city. You rarely see any graffiti, any dirt or rubbish on the ground. It's really good. So looking forward to today. And this is a traditional cultural village. Just waiting for the girls. Hopefully, they won't be too long. Here come the Korean Polynesian girls, all dressed up in their traditional Korean outfits. All right, let's go and check out the village. And you look gorgeous. You look gorgeous. No doubt about that. By the way, guys, we're just in the village of Bukchon is the correct name. The old village of Bukchon. Smile for the camera. We're heading up this hill. It's quite steep. I don't know if the camera does it justify, but it's quite steep and it looks like a temple or something at the top. The streets around here are beautiful, aren't they? Look at that, the timber doors, the craftsmanship. Just beautiful. They've become instant celebrities. Yeah, I've just been informed that this village has been here for about 600 years. A long time. Right, almost at the top of this hill. What's around the corner? Probably another hill. Very good. The old, and there's the new in the background. At last, we're walking downhill. Gotta be quiet. It's a bit hard for me to be quiet, but I'll try. After all that walking uphill in their traditional Korean outfit, they're a little bit hungry. Time for an ice cream. Isn't that cool? Wow.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Nice. Mango.
Very nice. Tastes really fresh. Oh, that real fruit. Excuse me. Enjoying the Bukchong village.
It's amazing. Okay. It's so beautiful. Yes.
It's a must do if you're coming to Seoul in the future. We've enjoyed it here, and a few hills, but not too bad. It's not a huge village, but just gotta remember to be quiet because there's actually residents live here. And it's open from 10 to 5 every day except Sundays. Bye.
And you can hire a Hanok outfit to wear.
Yep. For about how much?
35.
35. All right.
Includes your hair being done. Or 40 if you want a bag as well.
Okay. May as well look the part as well. You look the part in the village anyway. Okay. So, well, this is the Bukchong village, and we're off to another destination. I'm not sure when. I'll surprise you. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Just noticed a new building going up across the road. And it shows you that Koreans have not lost their traditional craftsmanship. That is going to be one beautiful building when it's finished.
This one is where was that sign?
Yes, they do stop at crossings in Korea. Most of the time anyway. After a bit of a hike, we are now at the palace. So we beat the rain so far, but it is definitely coming. It's such a cool area. Could call it a high end of town, I'd say. Right behind me, there's a nice little street vendor. Selling some desserts. Yum, yum. Waiting for the lights, and then we'll be heading over to the palace. The Gyeongbokgung Palace. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but that's where we are. Free admission today. Oh, we came on the right day. Boom. It's very colourful, isn't it? Very Art Deco. What is around this corner? It's a well. What's wrong with your eyes?
There's something in my eye.
It feels like a quadrangle or something. Prince has taken lots of photos of the palace. What do you think about the palace? It's good to see people dressed up in their hanoks today, male and females. Really sets the scene. This beautiful detail in the roof, the buildings, colours. Great stuff. Now that is a lovely building. Very grand. Wow. That's beautiful. The architecture is absolutely awesome.
Oh, sorry.
That's how you get the chair.
His chair, His Majesty's chair. Very beautiful. Lots of people here today. We've left the palace and we're walked across the road and we're now in where? In Sadong. It's a great shopping place, a lot of tourists. It is very a tourist place, but A lot of interesting shops to see it. So we're going to have a little look around here before we head back to our hotel. It's actually starting to sprinkle now, so the rain is coming in. Its temperature has dropped, but it's been a good day so far. We can't complain. I really hope you enjoyed the video of us taking you to the Korean Traditional Village and the Royal Palace. And we would like to show you more, but unfortunately the heavens did open up, it poured, it got really cold, and we had to call the day a little bit shorter than what we anticipated. However, today is a beautiful day. We're heading off to Busan on the bullet train, so stay tuned for my next video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, a comment, subscribe. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. And for now, I say goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the view from our hotel, Hotel 28. We stayed in Seoul, in Myeongdong. This is the rooftop area. It's not really a bar, but it's a nice area to be. We came in here the other night and it was beautiful. Look over here, we have Jackie Chan's Lancer Evolution that was used as a prop in his famous movie, Who Am I? It's actually in pretty good nick. It's got a, could do with a bit of a polish, but it's pretty straight. Probably doesn't have many miles on it. Let's have a look inside. Can't really see through the glass there. But it's in pretty good nick. It's a pretty popular car in its day, the Lancer Evolution. And there you have it, Jackie Chan's Lancer Evolution that he donated to Hotel 28. Good on you, Jackie.